peeps, it's Suzette from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an AP Maths question on implicit differentiation, taken from the 2019 IAB Paper 1. So in this question, we have an equation x cubed minus xy equal to y plus x squared. Now we use implicit differentiation when we cannot make y the subject of the formula and differentiate just in terms of x. If we are working out the equation of a tangent and we have the point of contact as x equal to 1, we also need to work out the y value. So the first thing we can do is we can substitute x equal to 1 into our equation. So y cubed minus 1y equal to y plus 1 squared, and that's going to give us y cubed minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. And you can just type this into your calculator and get yourself a value that is y equal to minus 1, which makes sense in terms of the quadrant. You might also get some other roots, but the one we are looking for is the one that fits into the fourth quadrant of our diagram. So now we know that the point of contact is 1 minus 1. So that y value is minus 1. Now we're going to work out our derivative using implicit differentiation. So we have y cubed and its derivative is 3y squared. But in implicit differentiation, every time you work with the function that is in terms of y, we have to say we are differentiating y with respect to x. Then we have minus xy, and this is a product. And so we differentiate x, that gives us 1, and we keep the y. So we're using product rule here. Plus we keep the x, we differentiate the y, but again, we have differentiated y with respect to x. So that is product rule there. And those brackets are important because the negative will then need to be multiplied into this bracket in the next step. Then on the right hand side, the derivative of y is 1, and when we find the derivative of y, we have to say we are deriving y with respect to x. And then the derivative of x squared is 2x. So this is implicit differentiation. Now, because we need to work out the equation of the tangent, we can substitute this value for x and this value for y straight in here. We don't have to make dy by dx the subject of the formula first. We can substitute straight in. So when we have a y value of minus 1 squared, we can substitute y value of minus 1, x value of 1, dy by dx, equal to 1 dy by dx plus 2 times 1. Okay, and then we can multiply that out. So we have 3 times minus 1 squared, which is 3 dy by dx, minus 1 minus another dy by dx, equal to a dy by dx plus 2. Okay, and now we can make dy by dx the subject of the formula. So we've got 3 minus 1, which is 2, minus another 1, which is 1, dy by dx. And on the right hand side we have 2 minus this one, which then gives us a gradient of 1. So the gradient of this line is 1. Now we need to finish off our question. A tangent is a straight line graph with a gradient of 1, and it passes through the point -1 and 1, which then gives us a C value of -2, and therefore our tangent is y equal to x minus 2. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.